Alright, what's up guys? So you want to learn exactly what's in the title of this video, and that's how to cut clips. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now. We're going to open up Premiere Pro. If you don't have that, link in the description for your easy use. Once you have that open, create your new project. If you're already in the timeline, we're going to get there in a minute. Alright, so if you want to import, mine looks a little bit different here, my setup, but it's pretty much the same thing. Your product file is going to be down here most likely. The timeline is going to be a little bit over to the right, and your effects control panel are going to be over here. But it's all the same thing if you know where these panels are. You're going to double click to import your media, or you're going to hit Command I, which I like to do normally because it's faster. And you're going to select your media from the predestined folder you already have, right? Untitled folder. We're going to select all this stuff here. Alright, so say I have this clip here, just from like an old thing. You can double click it, or you can already just drag it down here and put it into your sequence. So once you have it in your timeline sequence, what you're going to do now is press the C, or you can come over here and click on the razor blade, and then you go to the clip where you want to cut it, and cut it. Or you can cut it there. Or you can cut it there. Or you can cut it there. You get the gist of it. So you can cut it just doing by that. And say you want to delete something in between, you select the file right there, hit delete, and now that's gone. Say you want this space to be gone, you want it to be one thing, you're gonna click here, highlight everything, hit delete, and now that's gone too. But say you don't have, you don't really want it to be deleted up all this right there, and you just wanna bring it over just a little bit. Say you wanna bring it over like right, really close but not all the way close. And if it keeps snapping like this, that's because you have the snap key on over here. So you can turn this off by hitting S or clicking on this snap, and now it will no longer snap your files. You can put it however close you want it, or not close at all. So that's where you can also select things. But say you're selecting one thing, you want to select multiple clips because you have open things around as well. You can hold Shift and select those other clips as well. So that's how you cut. I showed you some extra things in there as well just to help you out. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and peace.